Hey guys, it's Paul here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a full review of the iPhone SE. So I've been using the iPhone SE for 48 plus hours, so I thought I should share my experience moving from the iPhone 11 Pro Max to the iPhone SE. This video might also be helpful if you're thinking of selling your iPhone 11 Pro Max to get the iPhone SE, maybe to save some money or something, because who doesn't need the extra cash? So when I first switched to the iPhone SE, I thought I was going to miss my 11 Pro Max, but not really. I didn't really miss the speed because they literally have the same processing power, the A13 Bionic chip. So applications are expected to run smoothly. Just like every other iPhone, the iPhone SE runs the latest iOS 13.4.1 and is expected to get updates for the next 5 to 6 years. The display on the iPhone SE is actually the first thing that amazed me. It's an LCD display, but the blacks on it are very, very black. It might not be as black as an OLED display, but it is impressive for an LCD display. This is one of the best, if not the best LCD display on the smartphone right now. The screen on the iPhone SE is a 4.7-inch display, which depending on your preference might be too small, normal, or some people might say it's too big. But personally, I don't really use small phones. But like they say, size don't matter, it's about the flow of the ocean. The screen resolution comes in at 1334 by 750 at 326 ppi and a max brightness of 625 nits. Not the brightest, but at the price point, no complaints from me. And of course, gaming on the iPhone SE is actually fun. I don't really play games on my iPhone, but if you're into smartphone gaming, the iPhone SE is not a bad option. Plus, you have the A13 Bionic chip to power the best games out there. Apple doesn't really state the size of their battery on their website, but the battery of the iPhone SE actually lasts me through the day, of most of the day actually. Now let's move on to the main feature of an iPhone. The main reason why people get an iPhone in my opinion, the camera. The iPhone SE comes with a single lens 12 megapixel wide camera with f1.8 aperture and up to 5x digital zoom. These are some sample pictures taken with the iPhone SE. The pictures taken with the iPhone SE are actually very sharp. The details, the color, and everything is in the right proportion. I'm not going to analyze the picture in depth in this video because my channel is all about real life usage. The only thing I'm going to say I miss is the zoom lens on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. The iPhone SE is actually capable of 5x digital zoom, but digital zoom always makes picture lose some quality compared to zooming with a lens. The front camera also takes amazing picture. It's a single lens 7 megapixel with f2.2 aperture, which is also capable of portrait mode and other features. When it comes to video, the iPhone SE is capable of recording 4K at 60 FPS, 30 FPS, and 24 FPS. You can also record HD or 1080p at 60 FPS and 30 FPS. You can also shoot slow-mo videos at 120 FPS or 240 FPS. I actually love playing with this stuff when I'm bored, and by FPS I mean frames per second. Now let's move to the speakers on an iPhone SE. They don't really sound the best, but it's manageable. This is a sample of an audio played on an iPhone SE. I mean, the box looks so small compared to the iPhone XR's box. But anyways, let's see what comes in the box. I feel like it's lacking a little bit of bass and some other things. I don't know, something is just off about the speaker, in my opinion. But most people are going to be using their headphones or AirPods, so it doesn't really matter to me. Now, the big question is, for the price of $399, what do you get? In my opinion, you get a speed, you get an amazing camera, you get a premium design, you get a Touch ID for security, you get a guaranteed iOS update in the nearest future. I mean, these are the things you get on the premium end iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which are almost 3 times the price. If you ask me, this is the best budget smartphone in the market right now. Or is it though? I've actually been looking at the Google Pixel 3a on Amazon, and it's in the same price range with the iPhone SE. So I'll be making a comparison videos very soon. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.